Hello designers, welcome to the day 6 of the 30 days pattern drafting challenge. So in this tutorial we're learning the shawl collar jacket. So that's what we're going to be learning in this tutorial. So if you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for staying around here. So let's just get right into the tutorial. So to start off, you're going to need your pattern paper with extra at the top and also extra at the center front, because you're going to need that to make our jacket. So make sure you get your basic bodies and have extra on your pattern paper. So the first thing we're going to do is to mark the breaking point. The breaking point means where your button stand is going to start. So for me, I went up 3 inches from the waistline, so you can determine where you want your breaking point to be. So after I've marked that point, then I'm going to mark the button stand of 1 inch. You know, we're making a jacket, so you need 1 inch button stand at the center front. So after we've done that, I'm going to label that point button stand. So once you're done with that, we're going to form your breaking point. You're going to connect to the neck point. Okay, then once you're connecting, you raise it up. Okay, because we're going to use that to mark the collar for the color for the jacket. So for that, can you see how I just raised up there? So after that, you're going to measure what you have at your back. Okay, so that's what is going to stand for your collar height. So measure what you have around the neckline at the back, then I will measure that. So I have 3.5 there, so I'm going to measure 3.5. Then from where I mark the 3.5, I will go in by ½ inch. So you need to do this ½ inch so that the collar will sit properly on the neckline. So that's why I go in by ½ inch there. Then I'll mark the 3.5 again so that everything will balance. So after you've marked your collar height, then you go ahead to mark your collar width. So that's how much you want your collar to be. For example, now I marked 5 inches. So that 5 inches will be divided into 2, because you know your collar is going to fold. So that means my collar width is going to be 2.5. Let's say you want your collar width to be 1.5, then you mark 3 inches here. But I just want the collar width of this jacket to be very wide, so that's why I marked 5 inches. Can you see? I check it again. So now to connect the short collar, from where you mark your collar width, you're going to connect it to your breaking point. Okay, so can you see, just place your curve ruler. It could be even be a straight ruler, because there's some short collar jacket that are very straight. Okay, so we just use a curve here, but for some it might be straight. So this is the alteration you're going to do. So the next thing I'm just going to, you can either connect your dart either to the shoulder, or you can draw the arm or style line. But for this I went with the shoulder style line, or you can actually do arm or style line if that is what you want. So I'm just labeling my pattern. So cut 2 pieces for the 2 panels at the back, and also 2 pieces for each panel at the front. So now I just want to curve the front of the jacket a little bit. So this is the jacket styling. So I go up by 2 inches at the center front and curve it this way. Then at the side I go up by 2 inches to curve it there too. So this is my styling option. A different styling options that is available that you can do. At the back too, I go up by 2 inches at the side back and connect it that way. Can you see? So this is what I have. So the next thing I'll do now is to cut my pattern. Just watch how I'm going to be cutting my pattern. So what we raise up at the top at the front is going to be what is going to be the collar that we enter the neckline back. Can you see how I folded this? So that's how your collar is going to look like. This collar width is very wide, so if you don't want yours to be that wide, you can actually reduce it. So you can do, let's say, like 3 inches instead of the 5, or do 4. So I'll close my bust dart and reblend it and just cut my pattern. So this is our shawl collar jacket pattern. So if you like to see the sewing tutorial of this, you can let me know in the comment section. So we're going to have the day 6 video up tomorrow. I mean day 7 tutorial up tomorrow. So make sure to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. You can share with fellow designers, fellow soulmates. So this is what we have. Okay, so if you want to see a sewing tutorial, let me know in the comments section. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you tomorrow. Bye.